Welcome to the class, dear students. I am going to do another problem on Stokes Theorem. In the previous lecture, we have done one problem on Stokes Theorem. So, evaluate integral f dot dr closed surface C, where enclosing a rectangular region of y equal to 0 plane, bounded by x is this, that is this, where this is f is given by this one. So, Stokes Theorem, what it says, integral f dot dr is double integral curl f dot n ds. So, the first job is to find out curl f. So what is curl f? I j k dou by dou x dou by dou by dou by dou z, and what is f here? 4xz. And is there any j component? No. And there is k component, which is minus 5x square. I hope all of you know how to find out the curl f by using the procedure we have done in the previous lecture. Just go through if you are not able to understand the curl. So now curl is when you find out this one, we get it as 14x time 14xj. Now since y equal to 0 plane, the plane is xz plane. So what is the unit normal? Is y axis, that is j. So curl f dot n is 14xj dot j is nothing but 14x. So what is integral f dot dr is curl f dot n ds according to the formula. So it is curl f dot n ds means what is this? This is 14x dx within the limits x equal to 0 to 3 and z equal to 0 to 3. So it is normal integration and substituting the limits. I hope you could understand Stokes theorem well. Thank you.